Welcome. If you want to add event to calendar in your LG G6, for the first you have to open your calendar. So in my case it is in the essentials folder. Open calendar, and right now select the date when you want to set up this event. So I'm going for the Wednesday. Click on this marker, and right now you have to enter the title. Click on the next, and you can set up other things. And if you do, just click save right here, and here's our event. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.